Welcome guys. So thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. What I have for you today is how you can make money online. So basically today I'll be talking about how you can make money online, what you need to do, the tools you need, and everything you need to do. But before now, this is not that kind of content I post before. I know I do ALS tax, coding, software engineering. That's what I do before. But I stopped doing that because they restricted me, or they put copyright claim on like 30 of my videos, and this is not your first time. So that's why I stopped. So I'll be talking about affiliate marketing, I'll be talking about investments, I'll be talking about arbitrage, and I'll be talking about importation. So those are the four things I'll be talking about in this video. So make sure you listen, and also if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure you go to click on that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell icon, so you know you'll get notified whenever I drop any video. So make sure you stay tuned, listen to all I have for you, the resources I'll be providing, the whatsoever. And if you take notes and you do as I said you should do, you are going to make money. I'll be providing proof for you so that you can see my proof as well. Then in case you are doubting who I am, or you are doubting what I do, you can search Gbajumo Digitals on Google. It will bring out my business profile, so you can read more about me. So if you have any question or you have anything, just go to the comment section, put your comments, and let me know what you have for me. Then if you want to reach out to me as well, not for ALX please, just for pure how do I make money questions. I'm not answering any questions on ALX or whatsoever. So I will drop my contact for you to call me, or you want to reach out to me, whether for business or any other thing. So I'll drop my contacts, not for ALX, please, not for ALX. All right, so make sure you listen, and I will see you at the end. All right, so I won't make this video very long. I will try to make it as short as possible so that you can get what I have to say. And I trust that if you follow everything I have to say, you are going to testify. Like, we are going to testify. And before I continue, or before I start anything, I want to invite you in. I'm going to be creating a course that is called 1 Million Naira Challenge. So in this course, I'll be taking you through what you need to do, even though you don't have any skill at all, like you don't know graphics, you don't know video. I will just be putting you through what you need to do. Don't worry, the skill you don't have, I will try as much as possible to invite people in, those that are already there, freelancers and the rest. I'm also a freelancer, but the best thing is just helping people out, providing content that people need. So that's why I'm still coming out to post content. So if you like what I do, you like the content, the kind of content I post, just give me a follow. So follow me, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on that notification bell icon, so you get notified whenever I drop any video. You'll be notified. And also you can also follow me on TikTok. I think that will be very very, because I'll be dropping short videos that you don't need to stay time watching, but those videos will not be too detailed. You understand? That's why I come on YouTube to make detailed video. I might make some short videos there, but I'll come here to make the detailed video. So you can join me on both sides. Just search Gbajumo Digitals, you see my profile. All right, so back to what I have for you. So in order for you to join, just at the end of the video, I will tell you how you can join this program. What you need to you don't need any requirement actually. It's free course. So I will tell you how you can join. So listen. So make sure you don't skip any part, because I might actually say it in the middle of the video and you have already skipped it. So the first thing I have for you is affiliate marketing. So what's affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just you carrying somebody's product, selling it, and getting commission for selling that product. So the products you'll be selling are not physical product actually. But I noticed that many people have been involved in affiliate marketing, and they never knew they've been doing affiliate marketing. So they'll be like, what's affiliate marketing? Is what you already know. Is you selling somebody's product. You buy product from AliExpress, you buy it from Alibaba. Once you buy it, actually it's somebody's product. So but that one is not affiliate marketing. That one is what we call trading. You are trading, is you buy it and that's buying and selling, that's trading. But affiliate marketing is you don't have the money, you buy somebody's product. It's someone that have the product. You buy the product, you put your own, you don't put your price actually. The person help you put commission on your whatsoever. Then you bring someone in and the person buys, then they will pay you commission. Is whenever you go to Computer Village, those that are familiar with Nigerians, Lagos State. If you go to Computer Village, some people on the road be like, guy, come and buy shoe, come and buy this, come and buy that. Some other countries they also do it, not only Nigerians. So come and buy. They will take you to the shop, and somebody will sell the product for you, and you go feeling that that person that brought you in is the owner of the shop. He's not the owner. He's affiliating for the person that has the shop. That's just basically it. So at the end, when you are gone, the owner of the shop will pay the person that brought you in his own money. That's what we call commission. So that's what we'll be doing. But we are not going to be going to Computer Village or Unipan to go and sell anything. So those that are familiar with all these state places I'm calling, you might be laughing watching this video. Anyway, so This is it. You will be doing it at the comfort of your home. You are at home, you're not doing anything. I am a full-time, this is my full-time job, posting, helping people out, doing content, showing people how to bring their business online, how to balance themselves online. That's my full-time job. And I do freelancing as well and some other things like that. So if you are lucky to be watching this, where you are very, because I'll be posting a lot of videos. I know some other people do this, but I will try to be I will try to make it simple as possible. In a layman's understanding, I will try to make it as simple as possible. Then if you have any comment, just go to the comment section and drop your comment. So the affiliate marketing sites that we have, there are many of them, but let me just split them into different sections. We have the national ones and we have the international ones. When I mean the national ones, and aside from the national ones, we have the ones that don't allow Nigerians. Like, they restrict Nigerian totally. Nigerians are not here. Don't, please keep watching if you are not a Nigerian. So alright, so we have Jumia, we have Jumia Jforce. We call it Jforce, Jumia Jforce. I did a video on Jumia Jforce. Just go to the bottom of this video. At the bottom, this first video I made is on Jumia Jforce. That's, you can watch more videos on it, how you can start selling Jumia's product. Those that are in Nigeria, you'll be familiar with Jumia. So you take Jumia's product, you are in the comfort of your house, you place order for people. Once you place order for people, they will be paying you commission. You are not doing anything, you are not delivering the product. Once you place order on behalf of people, you put their location and address. Jumia will go and place it for themselves. They will send their dispatcher to go and drop the product. So aside from that, if you don't want to do affiliate marketing for them, you can actually use your place as a point of where customer will come and pick their products. You get picking, we call it a pickup station. So I will be talking a lot about, but I've talked about them before. So just go to the last video, just watch from the last video to the fourth video. So that's what I talked about at Jumia J4. So Jumia J4 is actually for Nigerians, Ghana, like Africa, basically for Africa. But for those that are non Africans, let me go back to your taste. So this is it. We have Jforce. We have JVizu rather. I meant JVizu. We have JVizu. We have Warrior Plus. We have Expertnia. That's for the international as well. We have Expertnia. We have Lenoflex. Do you understand? So for the Jforce, when I meant JVizu. So for the JVizu, they actually sell what we call softwares like Grammarly, all those softwares, WordPress softwares, like video editing software like CapCut. You understand? So those are software. They sell basically software. If you know you can't promote software, you're not good in software, you don't even know what software are, I will advise you don't promote this kind of product, because you have to market this product for yourself. You have to market it by yourself. Do you understand? So if you know that's not what you do or it's not your area, just leave JVizu, leave Warrior Plus. But Warrior Plus is very good. They allow Nigerians as well. They allow Nigerians. So the one that do not allow Nigerians are Digistore 24. And there is another one again that is similar to Digistore 24, but I've forgotten. If you know it, I know you understand what I'm saying. Just go to the comment section and drop it. Remind me. So I will not want to waste your time in the video, but I think I've forgotten it, Sha. So with Digistore 24, you can say you can use VPN. If you use VPN, it will allow you do it, but at the end of the day they will ban you from and at that time you've made money, you've made sale, all your whole commission and everything, it has gone with your banned account. So I will not advise you to use VPN. If you know that you are not allowed to do it, don't use wuruwuru. Nigerians, may una no use wuruwuru do am, leave am if e no work. You get? So leave it if it doesn't work. Go and do the ones that are meant for you people. Sorry, let us go and do the one that are meant for us rather, because I'm a Nigerian. So we have Lenoflex. So Lenoflex is also for Nigerians. Nigerians can use it, and also for people outside Nigerians as well. Ghana, Africa, and the rest of the countries. So they sell what we call softwares. Sorry, not software now. The JVizu and Warrior Plus is softwares. But for Expertnia and Lenoflex, they sell what we call courses, video courses. Video courses. What I'm doing here is a video course. What you are watching is a video course. You get, is a course on its own. I can actually create a course on affiliate marketing. I will start selling this course and I'll be making money for myself. But this is what I do. So I know the way it works. I've been in the game, so I know what you need to do. It's not easy. So if they are telling you out there that it's easy being an affiliate marketer, let me tell you, it's not easy. They are just trying to deceive you, trying to get your money, trying to make millions for themselves, and you on the other hand, you are being, will I say, scammed, or you are being left alone, because they will just help you out, and at the end of the day they will just leave you to go and do it yourself, to go and market it yourself, when you never knew about marketing digital, you never knew about it. So that's why I told you, you have to be here, you have to subscribe, and you have to turn on the notification bell icon, so I will teach you what you need to know. If it's affiliate marketing you need to know, let me know. I will drop my contact details so you can reach out to me, whether for business. You can search out my business on Google. I do website design, graphic design. I do trainings and content writing, copywriting, sales funnel, email marketing, digital marketing. Basically, that's what we do. Right. So when I told you I'm actually creating a course called 1 million naira challenge, I meant what I said actually. I meant what I said. I'm going to put you through what you need to do this. So I've talked about Jumia. Go and watch the video I talk about Jumia. I've talked about Lenoflex, JVizu, Expartnia. I've talked about so Lenoflex and Expartnia are the same thing. So you can actually use your PayPal account, as well. You can use your local bank account. So anyone you want to use. You promote course, they'll give you a link. This is the way it works. They'll give you a link. You go on the internet, you search for content. You can go on Quora, write a content, answer somebody's question on Quora. Quora is actually, the traffic on Quora is actually for the Americans. So when you go on Quora, you look for a question that people are like asking. So once you answer this question, you write a very detailed explanation explaining what it entails. Maybe somebody is searching for how to, or the best product to use to be lean, or how to reduce fats. People that are fat, they are looking for desperate ways or the product to use. But this is for Digitals 24. Digitals 24 provide all this physical product also. They provide digital physical product, not digital product. So, but they don't allow Nigerians. So aside from that, all these digital courses as well, people are looking for it. How to make money online course, they are looking for it. So you answer questions, you answer them, you answer the questions in form of content, in form of text and pictures and images. So you write a very detailed, it's just like writing a blog. So at the end of everything, you put your link, then they will go and click on your link and go and buy whatever you're offering for them. You can do this in one day, and the next 3 years to come, people are still buying this thing you are selling. 3 years, 4 years to come, people are still buying it. And the sweet thing about this thing is, once Google sees that people are looking at your content, or people are reading your content, Google is going to rank your content. It's going to rank it. That's what we call SEO optimization. That's SEO, that's search engine optimization. Google is going to rank your content, because Google saw that people are actually looking at this your content. This is the question people are asking. So it's going to rank it, believing that you are an authority writing that content. Do you understand? So that's where SEO also work. I'll be talking about SEO, SEM, a lot of them under the digital marketing aspect. If this is what you do, you can reach out to me so that we can collaborate, or do some one or two things on that business aspect. So I've talked about, I'll be dropping the link to look at all these sites. I'll drop the link on the description section. Make sure you check the description section. You go and you check the description. I will drop the link and everything you need to do and how to go about it. But this, I did not tell you this. JVizu and the other one is free. But Expartnia and Lenoflex is 50,000. You are paying 50,000 to join. So that's just it. You are paying 50,000. But if you know about what you need to do, you are going to make your money back. You understand? So that's just basically it. So aside from that, we have what we call other apps, like other small apps like Piggyvest, Fair Money, all this loan app and the rest of them. They actually help. They tell you to, okay, invite people in. It's just like you inviting people, and they will give you commission for inviting people. They will actually give you if somebody deposits his money. So I use Fair Money, I use Piggyvest, I use Fair Money. I don't use my bank anymore because they've been charging me for VAT and other things, so I did not use it again. So I now started using Piggyvest and Fair Money. So what something about Piggyvest is that they will give you you can drop your money in dollars, like you convert your money in dollars. When dollar have risen, you convert your money back to naira. You see how sweet that is. Then aside from that, you can do investment, but for now they are not doing investment again. Then you can also lock your money for future purpose. You can lock your money for maybe 2 years, 3 years. You don't need to go and open a current account. So you can just lock your money with the app. Once the date that you've set reached, you open your. So if you want to join Piggyvest, I'll drop a link that you can use to join Piggyvest and start making money with Piggyvest. It's not an investment. This is like a normal bank. So they will be giving you 10% on per annum on your money. Your money you put there per annum, they'll be giving you 10%. So it's just a normal bank, Kuda and the rest of them. Do you understand? So that's it. But I love Piggyvest out of the whole of them. I love Piggyvest the most. If there is any other thing I've not talked about in this video, I've noticed that the video is getting longer. So let me just stop it here. For the investment, the arbitrage and the importation I talked about, maybe I'm going to make this video in 4 places. This is the first one, you understand. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon, because I'll be talking more on investment. There are some investments you can now buy share. You can buy share from Tesla now. There is an investment you can do with it. And aside from the Tesla aspect, we also have normal investment that you can do. We have Kala. So I don't know if you heard about Kala. Kala is just like an investment platform. They invest your money in artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, and they pay you commission monthly. Every month they pay you commission, and the commission is very very good. Like, it's very very good. So I'll be talking on almost all these things. The one that you see that fits you or that go with your standard, just pick one and do it. And at the end of everything, just trust me, you are going to make your money if you are not lazy, if you are consistent. So I will also try to be consistent with making my videos as well. And for the this thing, for the 1 million naira challenge, what you just need to do is for you to call me. Just call me that you are interested, or chat me on WhatsApp. You can either chat me or call me that you are interested. So I'll drop my contact. You can reach out to me, or you can go to the comment section and just tell me that you are interested. If probably I will drop my contact on the comment section. Do you get? Or chat me on WhatsApp, either of everything. So thank you so much for listening. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon, and also share this video to your friends that you believe that they will need it. Send it to them. And don't forget to go and watch all the videos I've mentioned, the one of the Jforce and other ones I've mentioned as well. How to design ebook covers so that you can sell on KDP on Amazon. So everything like KDP, Amazon KDP, and the rest of them.